So here's what you can expect in discrete mathematical modeling. So math class, usually, you get a very specific problem. It asks you for a specific thing, and it's easy to tell if you're done. So in fact, in classes, they'll tell you, go back and read the problem, see if you've answered the question, or if there are multiple questions, see if you've answered them all. And that way you make sure you get all your points on your exam. And then also the difficulty is tailored to the class usually. So what do mathematicians actually do when they do math? Well, there's two types. There's pure math and applied math, which is mostly mathematical modeling. In pure math, people will consider ideas that are not well understood. You ask your own questions over there, which is very fun. This is what I do. You maybe answer them, hopefully, at some point, and you have no idea how hard your questions are because it's math that has not been done before. In mathematical modeling, you're solving a real-world problem for someone. So they will ask you a question. It will usually be ill-formed, and it will not necessarily have an exact answer. They don't know math. They don't know how to ask the precise questions that you've seen up to this point on, let's say, a math test. Their questions will be more like, make me money, save me time, stop people from dying from COVID, things like that. You don't really know what math is involved when they ask you the question, and your job is to try to answer it. There may be a lot of back and forth as they get more info, as you get more info. For example, later in the process, you find out COVID doesn't spread from surfaces. Now maybe your math changes. And again, you don't know how hard the questions are when they ask them to you. The person asking them certainly doesn't know how hard the questions are. We're doing discrete mathematical modeling in this class, discrete as opposed to continuous. So continuous problems are solved via differential equations and other advanced calculus techniques. We won't be covering that in this class. Discrete problems can be solved via a number of techniques: combinatorics, graph theory, discrete optimization, stochastic processes. More are listed in the course notes. And why would you want something discrete? Discrete meaning you can't take every value, every number, only specific ones. So for example, how many people to hire? You can only hire an integer, non-negative integer number of people. How many boxes should you buy to pack your things? How many airplanes should you build? Questions like that. So that's it. That's discrete mathematical modeling.